200 for lunch. Last night I fucked on the cunt. 24 shows in a month. Looked at that time, it was crunch. Ice, diamonds is crush. Louis V, but my t-shirt is
It's SWOOP game, baby.
Yeah. That's medical. Everybody knows she bad by no means. Everybody talk about her, tell about me. Late night come over. Yeah. Put it in your stomach, turn over. Yeah. I'ma beat it up undercover. No matter what, if you sober. I'ma knock you down like Boulder. Look so wet, what I told her. Ain't no telling get home. She wanna fuck to my song. Fuck that fuck with the lights on. 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 Yeah, I'ma beat it up no night long. I'm a big dog CEO. Going all night, no knee long. Fuck you so good, you missing when a nigga gone. Hit my phone, baby, we ain't gon' slide. But two and she got thick dice. Ooh, baby, and she miss.
I got this shirt. This shirt is from Misguided. And these little shorts that I got on are from Pretty Little Things. I will put everything in the description box below so you don't have to worry about that. Alright, so I'm gonna shut up and I'm basically gonna just show you what I'm doing. Hopefully you guys just follow along and you get what I'm doing, I guess you could say. It is kind of white a little bit. Don't worry about that. I usually just go in with like powder and stuff and just fix it. And then it's boom bada bing bing boom. What is bing bada bing bing boom? I don't know. Does anybody know how to remove knots? Sam?
Your attention span. You're a crackhead. That's what you're giving. You're giving crackhead. What's wrong with you? Oh, child.
When I fucking feel like I want price, I'ma pull up in that Rover. Hit ass right in a Rover. I take the weight over shoulders. Her favorite drink is mimosas. Every time they get in that pussy, I be like, my. Put so goddamn tight when I'm in it, feel like it's my first time. Hit it from the back, say nigga so deep, she can feel in the damn spine. I love it when she ride it, yeah. And tell her sweat that pussy in mine, yeah. Pretty ass face, yeah. I'm fucking with the lights on. Wanna see the pussy, baby? Baby, turn the lights on. I know you got a body, little baby, take it off and turn on the lights on. Baby say it on nigga left, and that's not a Glock, baby, that's Python. Late night come over, put it in your stomach.
Wow. I am shook if, cause this is the first time I really did like a side part on a like a real wig. I always do a nice side part, you know, on the synthetic wigs, you know. After you guys, y'all see? Do you see how nice and flat it is? Like, I didn't have to do too much. Not that much product was put into the hair. It's gorgeous. Oh my god, I'm stoked. Ciao. Okay. Vivi hair out here setting the tone. Vivi hair is out here setting the tone. Ladies and gentlemen, take notes. Take extra precaution, baby. If your girl wear a Vivi hair, then so yeah. So basically, we are doing a side part. I'm not too sure what this hairstyle is called. If it's like a sleek down side part thing, what you do, but I'm gonna find out in whatever. When I first got the hair, like the hair is so soft and so silky. Like I've been wanting a very silky texture kind of wig. A lot of the companies, when they send you silky textured wigs, they're usually like a yucky. It gives you yucky flavor. But I really wanted that silk. You see that silk? You see that? It's like, do you see that? It moves, like the body of it is just so pretty. The hair is 150 density. It is on the thinner side, I will say that for the very least. If you're someone who wants more density, I definitely would recommend going up a little bit if it's too thin for your liking. I don't mind personally because I honestly switch my wigs out like this. Like, okay, but you know, whatever. But yeah, for the most part, this is an amazing wig. 13x4 lace. So basically 13 around the perimeter and 4 inches of parting to part. This was an easy install. Also, it just fit my head. So sometimes when they send like, you know, the 13 by whatever's, like I do have trouble because sometimes I don't usually do I don't usually glue my wigs to the side. It just didn't feel right, or it just irritates me sometimes. Knowing that I could do that today made me feel a lot better. I don't understand, like, a lot of companies, I don't like doing it. Like, I did my little, you know, ball cap method, and I put on my wig, and then, you know, I just measured it, whatever, and got it to lay down so nicely, and it's so flat. Like, and then I went in with my hot comb. Now, it does come in that natural color. On camera, it's definitely picking up as jet black. Y'all know me, I love me some jet black hair, so I'm definitely gonna probably go back. And this is definitely one of the best straight wigs I've gotten in a long time. And I've been loving straight hair on me. Like, I don't know if because I'm getting older, you know, your girl gonna turn 25 in March. And also, I did a very easy hairstyle that you could do at home. All you need is a hot comb, all you need is some mousse, you know, and some patience, and that's about it. And also, today, laying down the wig with Got To Be glue, I surprised myself, because I didn't think Got To Be glue was gonna lay her down. This hair is so nice and it's so pretty on me. Like, I absolutely love it. I definitely recommend this hair. Like, baby, like, this is it. Like, if you are going on vacation, or you just want to stunt, or you gotta go back to school, babes, definitely get this. Sis, hop in your bag and go purchase this wig. Toodles. Okay, I'm back. No, but seriously, hop in your bag and go get this wig. And get out your feelings, get in your bed. Look, I'm loving this hair. Like, I don't know, I feel so alive, really, honestly. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Alright? Toodles. Bye.
What was that? Oh, okay, I thought someone who wore like 10 inches of weave, 10 inches, 12 inches or something, cause the fuck?